Hey everybody, it's Julie here. Thanks for joining me today on my channel for a quick unboxing of the newest Creative Retreat collection, and this is called Hives and Homes, and it is so beautiful. So I wanted to take you through the contents of the collection and some of the add-ons and some of the pricing so that if you decide that it's something that you would like to use, you know what you're getting into. So I'm going to go ahead and open up the Faith Art box, which I have not even opened this. I've just seen the pictures. So this is an actual unboxing, unbagging, I guess you will. It did come shipped in a box. So let's start with the devotional. This is the backbone, the most important part of the whole kit is the devotional. And again, I said it was called Hives and Homes, and the devotion was written by Rebecca Fairs. And this month, it's a little bit different. It's a trifold, and so you get a few extras with this. So you have the devotional and some Bible verses to go with it, and then you also have some reflection questions that can really help you to delve into the content, and then you can also take it and do so much more with this kit and with the devotional and with the content. It can be really deep, or you can just do a quick read through. It's entirely up to you how you want to do it. But what's neat is, of course, you get the devotional backing, which we always get, which has a beautiful patterned print on it. And you also get a third sheet because it's a trifold, and this one has journaling cards on it. So I would definitely, unless you don't mind cutting up your devotional, which you certainly can, you can make a copy of this for yourself and you can use these. It's a nice thick cardstock. You can order an extra devotional, which is $2.50, or you can order a digital devotional if you would like, and that is $3, and then you can print it out as much as you like. So there are those options. So you do get this with the Faith Art box. You also get this stamp set, which, oh my goodness, it is so cute. Here, let me open this up. So I love the theme of this month. The verse reference is Jeremiah 29, and we've all heard that verse, for I know the plans I have for you, says the Lord, plans to prosper you, to give you a hope and a future, and plans not to harm you. I mixed that up a little bit, but the context of that passage is so rich and so full, and Rebecca really delves into that context and how it is our responsibility to dig in where God plants us, and He will prosper us because He has plans for us and He has a hope. And so make our home where He puts us. So I love the words for this: hope, plans, home, promise, future, presence, His, my, me. And then the bee, I love that honeybee, the word seek. I love this script, God, and then these several flowers and flourishes. So that is a great stamp set that could be very versatile. And the stamp set, if you wanted to purchase it separately, is $10. So most of these items are available a la carte, or you can get them in the kit, the Faith Art box. You get this flare piece, which is that honeybee, and oh, I love the colors. They're great for fall, but it's not your typical Thanksgiving colors. So this is beautiful, this washi tape. It is a gold foil washi, and let me open that up. Here we go. Oh, how beautiful is this? So the images, it does match this that's in the stamp. You can see that, as well as some of the images in the decor. How pretty. Oh my goodness, that is so pretty. So let me lay that out right there. Oh, that is so pretty. And then here your decor sticker sheet, which has a lot of the word fetty on it, some tabs, some tags, labels, some of these circles, and of course the wonky hearts, some more of your words, and the floral pieces. beautiful colors in golds and navies and kind of a Williamsburg blue. Boy, that's an old throwback. And then you have these, this is my favorite font. This is my favorite font that we use for our letters. You've got them in navy and then this goldish brown color. And so you have two sets of the alphas. We do have this stamp set. I'm not sure if it's available right now. I'll link it. It may be out of stock, and that's the Lucy. So you can always complement these stickers with that stamp set in that same font. So the decor sticker sheet, the stamps, the alphas, the flare piece, the washi tape, the devotional. That's what you get with the actual physical kit. And again, most of these items can be purchased a la carte, not the flare piece. $10 for the stamp set. These sticker sheets are $3 a piece if you wanted to order them. Just an additional one, or if you just wanted to get bits and pieces. Now there are a couple of add-ons that you could get. This is a stencil, and the stencils usually run $5 if you wanted to order it separately. This does not come in the kit. This is an add-on. And let me put it on my hand. It is the honeycomb design. So how neat would that be? That's going to be great and make some beautiful background images with that stencil. Here is another add-on. It is a vinyl stencil, and this one has Jeremiah 29:13. Seek me and you will find me with all your heart. Beautiful navy flowers, and then the script. This is awesome. So this is an add-on, and this is available for $4. But your Faithfilled Digitals, you get 3 sheets of digital images, and it has words. It's got word fetty and a lot of these circle punches, some of your honeycomb designs and flourish pieces. And then in the text, Jeremiah 29:11, in that kind of a typewriter text, you get 2 sheets of 2 additional sheets. You've got the patterned papers, and there are 4 different papers. And then these are the journaling cards. You get 6 different images there. Some that are more title pieces, some that are journaling pieces, some that are just background. These are great for Bible journaling. These are great for pocket scrapbooking. I love using these in my faith planner. And this month, I can certainly see using these papers and patterns in a junk journal, but just because of the kind of vintage feel that it has and the colors. So those are the items. This is $7 if you purchase the Faithfilled Digitals, and you can print them out on paper, sticker sheet, cardstock, on sticker paper, on a clear sticker paper, on whatever you want. You can manipulate the images and make them work for you, and you could print to your heart's content. So most of these items, I said again, are available a la carte in both digital format and or hard, the actual physical product. And it's going to be a great month. I can't wait to see what you do with these items. If you purchase them, let me know. If you have any questions about the contents, then leave that in the comment section and I'll be sure to check those. Thanks for hanging out with me. Until next time, God bless. Bye-bye.